Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be an unboxing and my first impression on this amazing jewelry company, Read Your Heart. Now I have seen this company advertised in a few different places and I was so excited that they actually reached out to me and wanted to do a collaboration. So I have the parcel. I have opened the top, but I haven't looked at the items as yet. I wanted to do a genuine unboxing and show you my first impression. So again, huge thank you for them for reaching out and wanting to collaborate. So I was able to choose 2 items off their website. For some reason, I am so low on earrings, so I have chosen 2 sets of earrings, but I wanted to read you about the company first. So just a quick rundown, because I will have links down below and you can obviously look at the website and read all about them. So Read Your Heart is a jewelry company that celebrates the happiest moments in your life with encapsulating those treasured memories into modern, timeless jewelry that you'll want to wear, which is such a big thing. You know how you just buy pieces of jewelry and then you end up not wanting to actually wear them? These pieces on their website, at least, I haven't seen anything in person. These pieces look absolutely amazing. Now, one thing I do like about this company as well is that they are mining free. All of their stones are moissanite, which is a lab created stone. So what it says about their moissanite versus diamonds is, after years of research, the science breakthroughs Read Your Heart have created the perfect moissanite to be available for all your fine jewelry needs. Moissanite is tougher and will not chip as easily or lose brilliance as fast, thus making it the excellent choice for buyers looking for amazing jewelry at exceptional value. Which moissanite stones are so the trend at the moment, and in my opinion, I believe that they will be much more sought after than diamonds in some instances, because if you can get something so similar and also the same type of almost quality, I know that doesn't make sense, almost the same quality as a diamond for a lot less, I do believe that people will be searching more for these stones than actual diamonds in years to come. So as I was saying, things I love are it's a mining free company. Obviously the value of the pieces of jewelry are a lot less, but the quality is also so high, which is amazing, and the durability of them as well. Moissanite is as hard as diamonds, so it's not going to really wear, chip, crack, all of that, which is great. I do want to also mention, if you use my code NicoleLisa15, you can get 15% off site-wide, which who doesn't love to save money? Now, this is what the package looks like. This is the back of it. So they just send their items in a bag, and it looks like they put their pieces separated in these little white bags. So it comes with this little package here, which is nice if you're using like sending a gift. So they've only put 1 bag though. I think that if you're getting 2 pieces of jewelry, you should get 2 just in case it's a gift, but that's okay. So here we have a little booklet again on their products, which I love. Now they have every type of jewelry that you could imagine, so just because I got earrings doesn't mean that's all they sell. They have rings, bracelets, necklaces, everything, so definitely check them out. Cleaning cloth, which I love. Now let's get into it. As I said, little separate packages. Oh, this is hard to get out. Hang on. Oh, all right. And then we have, this is very Tiffany blue. Oh, that's cute. So this is what the box looks like. And they're like puffy. They're really nice. This is the pair I'm so excited about. Okay, so when I first saw these at Tiffany, I was obsessed. And I'm so excited to have a piece like this. Now, yes, I am reading off my phone a bit, but that's because I wanted to give you the correct details about the company and the items. So on the website, this is what these items are. So this is called the 4-petal Marquise Moissanite cluster stud earring in sterling silver. These are usually $257. They are currently on sale for $179. So the specifications are the main stone type is moissanite, of course. Main stone is a round cut. You can read all about this, but just a breakdown. So total carat weight is 2 carats, and these are grade VVS1, and they're sterling silver rhodium plated. Oh my god, you guys, look. Can I just say, they put, so in the little plastic bag, they put one just by itself and then one separated, which I do like. Oh, they're so stunning. Now, I hope, look at the shine on that. You guys, this is so, so stunning. Okay. I need to put it on immediately. How does this work? You guys, look at this, the backing. So this, it doesn't pull off, it actually unscrews. I have never seen that in my life. Wow, that's actually so good, because I've been losing the backs off my current earrings, which is why I'm not currently wearing any. And that screwing them on means it's not going to lose. They're not going to come off. Now, can I just say it's a little bit tricky to put it back on, but that is the best idea I've ever seen. That's amazing. Now, also, if you can hear little snorting or snoring, that is my dog. I love this. What a great addition. Now, I'm not going to screw it completely on because that's taking too much time. But, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I hope you can see that. I'm sorry, that's so close. I'm obsessed. Okay, that is my favorite earring. Now, second package. So let me tell you about the second package. We have, they are called the 3-stone Trilogy Moissanite stud earrings in sterling silver. Now, these are usually $128. They are currently on sale for $89.95. Again, stunning box. Again, oh, you guys, these are so stunning. Oh my god. So, this is the main stone carat is 0.1 carats. I completely lost my train of thought. And they are VVS1, and again 925 sterling silver. These are a push backing. Oh, okay, so they all don't have the screw on. How stunning is this? And again, you guys, look at the shine. I wanted to choose things that are so different to like what I usually have. I have nothing at all like this. Oh, my ears are a little bit closed up because I haven't worn earrings in a while because I've lost the bags. Oh, no, they're in. They're beautiful. Let me see, let me see. Oh, hang on, let me see. Let me look in my little mirror. They're so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, you guys, please tell me which one you like more. I actually don't know. They are both so, oh my god, the shine that I'm seeing is so, so beautiful. Wow. They're so different to anything I have, and they're so different from each other. I am beyond impressed. You guys, check this company out. use my discount code. Let me know your thoughts. I am beyond blown away at the quality, the look, the feel, everything about this. Again, thank you so much, Read Your Heart, for reaching out and doing a collaboration. I love your products so far from what I've seen. I hope you guys found this helpful. As always, if you do put an order in, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you purchased. Everything will be linked down below. I love these. Honestly, if you're looking for new earrings, completely different styles, but 100% love, 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 love. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.